Do you want to study geology from a distinctly Christian perspective? Cedarville University's Bachelor of Science in Geology program is one of only 2 Christian schools in the country that teach young Earth geology in the curriculum. You study conventional geology too, but we will teach you to engage with your discipline and faith with integrity, knowing that science is a way to learn more about God's world and to love Him more. You will choose from 2 tracks, physical geology or geoscience. Almost every one of our geology courses includes field experience. Cedarville is ideally located for local field trips to study glacial features, collect fossils, monitor well sites, and explore caves or mass wasting processes. Some classes take extended field trips to the Grand Canyon, Death Valley, Mount St. Helens, the Anza Borrego Desert, or the Rocky Mountains. Cedarville students have also been highly successful in field camp, often getting the top scores in their groups. As part of your geology major, you will complete a year-long senior research project that addresses both the practical and philosophical aspects of an issue in God's created world. Students often choose to publish or present their results in a national geological conference. Our graduates are highly successful in graduate schools as they prepare for roles in geology and academia. Many of our graduates are employed in fields like oil and gas, environmental geology, hydrology, and paleontology. If you're interested in a career uncovering the mysteries of God's world, consider a geology degree from Cedarville.